And kay Doc Joey naman, we saw na we have been looking at battery technologies. Of course, ang masaklap doon, sabi mo, we cannot manufacture batteries as of now, but hopefully one day we can find a technology that will be suited to the Philippines. Ayan. So yung first question ko, and this is something that Doc Joey mentioned earlier, power supply has always been a problem, as well as the cost of energy in the country. So is there any answer that science and technology and maybe research and development can do? You've mentioned auction programs, we've mentioned battery technologies. Is there anything else that maybe our researchers or our science community should be looking at that would eventually, bring a solution already to the high power cost and supply in the very near future? I'll go first to you, Asif.
Thank you very much for the question. But let me clarify first. Yung kasing high cost of power in the Philippines is not the same as the cost of electricity in other countries, particularly within the ASEAN context. Most of the ASEAN countries, electricity rates are subsidized. But here in the Philippines, we cross-subsidize. That means the consumers themselves are providing part of the cost of the electricity to some of our consumers, particularly in missionary and off-grid areas. Now, are there chances that we can lower the cost? Yes. Number one, we reduce our importation. Much of our fuel are imported, therefore we are subject to international market price. And comparing the volume requirement that the Philippines need with other countries, tingin lang tayo. So yung ating demand cannot dictate the price. That's one. We develop our own. Number two, we develop our own, like the renewables, because we have those. We also develop our natural gas, because we have also natural gas. But one thing that it is just being lately initiated is to develop what we have in terms of minerals. You see, in the electricity and energy sector, we buy everything. We buy wires, we buy metals for erecting our poles, we buy everything. And yet, Philippines is gifted with mineral resources. Unfortunately, that is a concern in our mining industry. Number one, we don't refine. We export what is being mined and then we buy back the product. So first, how can we now make a total government approach in starting from the upstream side of the minerals, develop our own, manufacture our own, it could lower the cost. We have so much copper deposits for the wires. We have nickel deposits for the batteries. We have silica. As a geologist, I'm proud that there are these mineral resources. So if we can now develop that total government approach, one united effort towards this mineral resource development, we can even go beyond now to the manufacturing sector. So yung kulang nating component sa battery, baka meron na rin tayo dito. So pwede na rin natin i-develop. At kami naman sa Department of Energy, we are more than willing to dedicate the power requirement of this industry. So yun po yung direction na tinitingnan natin. In fact, meron ng interagency convergence regarding this. But, yun nga, we need everybody to participate, including the research that you have to do. Kasi kung minikal tayo, what component of the battery can we do? Maybe it's not yet the entire battery, but a component of the battery. So it starts small, but at the end, we gain the totality. Thank you.
Thank you, Asik. So, tamang-tamang segue kay Doc Joey. Yan, dagdag ko lang